Hey guys, it's your boy Jawad and welcome to my new video. Today is day 169 in Lock for 5-year journey and I hope you are doing well. So I relapsed and it can be the video of relapse part 2. The main thing here is the carving that came from my body and from my mind and the lack of dopamine. So I relapsed on the base of lack of dopamine and the carving that are coming from my mind. And today it is early vlog because I need to study at the end in the night, so I can post video quite often or every day. And the thing is, so I survived 3 days after after the past relapsed, and now I need to start journey from there. And you know my November DTP and stop working, because if I don't help myself, how can I help you guys? So I stopped it and I just make the orientation manual and track, but I stopped making course videos, and it is free, but I need to make myself first, or I need to help myself first and so that I can help you. If I don't, then how can I help you? So the DDP was fully based on 100 days, but you know, if my 100 days isn't working for me or helping me to go further, how can I literally help you? So if I can continue 30 days to 60 days in NoFap, then I will try to continue making videos. I just make one video in the the NoFap DDP, and it left 6 videos. So that's it. And I will try to do meditation so that I can control my soul, or I can control my mind, this kind of stuff. And also the video I am now making is day 169 and also relapsed part 2, so I will add both in thumbnail. And you know, my videos are cropped down, like here you can see my hair, or here or here, this stuff, not my full face. That's because I am an introvert guy and I really don't like to post videos about my face. And that's it. I will try to post when I get much confidence, like get confidence, and I will try to remove this fear. And also please tell me what is how is my communication skill, or what is going on, so I can upgrade it or I can work on that. And that's it. Hope you are doing well. And if you are also in NoFap this NoFap journey, I can tell you this is much harder than you think. And if you completed 100 days, doesn't mean that you are stopping it for forever. Yes, I completed 100 days, but I can't, like, I am doing relapsed now, like 3 days, 1010 pattern, this kind of stuff. I hope you know the 010 pattern. It's like 0 means NoFap, 1 means relapsed, and 0 means NoFap. This kind of pattern, it's just going on and on. And the video will be much, I hope that it's much creative, so that I can give you, like, I will add animation in here. You can saw that maybe I added this because I will try to give you something much better, so that you can watch it with entertainment. And please pray for me, and I will hope I also pray for you, so that I can remove this addiction or continue my NoFap journey. Hope my voice is clear. And also another thing is, if I need to, or we need to conquer the world, we need to first conquer ourselves. So now I am only focusing on myself. And if you know my night period, this kind of stuff. I'm quite working on that, but not fully. And I also got board exam, so that I need to fully focus on that and also focus on myself. And that's it. At the end, I can, I will, and I do. Bye.